Hi everyone, today I wanted to introduce to you our newest tool on our website. It is called our custom fence calculator. Now this is for continuous fence only currently, but it's an easy way for you to plan out your fence project or multiple fence projects, know how many linear feet you need, all the materials put together, get a material list, as well as purchase online if you'd like to do so. So there's two options here when you get to the custom fence builder, which as you can see here, custom fence calculator. You're going to either start drawing out your project, or if you already know the dimensions or the linear footage of your project, you can click here. I'm going to just show you this real quick. So say it was a 500 linear foot project. Now that's going to be a 4 sides. So say you had 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. You're going to put 4 sides, and then you're going to choose how many gates you want. Okay, you can have up to 8 gates, I think, or at least on this one. So you're going to choose, say you have 2 gates, and you're going to choose the sizes. We have from 2 foot to 16 foot and 2 foot increments. So let's say we want a 4 foot. We're going to do 2. We want a 4 foot, and we want a 10 foot. Okay. Then you'd hit next, and you'd start choosing the continuous fence options that you like to go with. If you don't know your linear footage, you're going to start the drawing. Okay, and I'm going to show you an example just here at our shop in Godley, Texas. Okay, so let's say I wanted to do this fence this in right here. Okay, you're going to start with this crosshair at the starting point, click, and you're going to come down to the next corner and you're going to click again. Okay, now I've tested this with 3 or 4 different measuring tools, whether that's walking it, whether that's an actual tape measure, a rolling tape measure, and this map is actually pretty spot on as long as you know and there's nothing, no trees or buildings in the way of where your fence project might be. So once you click it, you're going to continue to add sides. You can finish it right here. If that's the only fence line that you're going to do, finish your measurement and continue. But we're going to do a full perimeter here, and we're just going to keep adding. Here. And then when you're finally finished, you can click on the green dot here, or again, whenever you're wanting to finish, you can hit finish measurement if you're not going to do a full perimeter. You can also, if you messed up, hit the X button and delete that line. Okay, but we're going to finish this here. Now you can click anywhere on the fence perimeter to add a gate. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to add, just like we did on the other diagram without the diagram when we knew our linear footage, we're going to click anywhere we would like a gate with that crosshair. Okay, so let's say I want to do, we have the same options here, 2 foot up to a 16 foot. So let's say we want just say we want a 12-foot gate up here. Let's say we want another 12-foot gate down here. Maybe we want just a little man gate over here. Let's do 4 feet. Okay, so we have 3 gates. We're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Now once we have the full perimeter, it's going to tell us our 938 linear feet. We have 5 sides. We have 3 gates. 1, 2, 3. We're going to hit continue. Okay. Now this is where it's going to get us to choose the continuous fence options that we'd like. So we've got 4, 5, and 6 rail. 6 rail is built to order. Sometimes we do have it in stock, but most of the time it's built to order, which we typically can do within a week to 2 weeks for you guys. So if you have some questions or want to know a little bit more details on each continuous fence option, you can hit this I button. Let's just say we want to go with 4 rail. Now we've got a few different post options. We've got 14 gauge, schedule 20, schedule 35, or if you don't need post or you want to use your own wood post or you have your own metal post, you can click no, not needed. But for this tutorial, I'm going to click schedule 35. Now we've got a few different caps. We've got weld on, we've got domed and flat weld on, and we've got pressed, and we've got plastic for non-weld on options. You can also again click you don't need any caps if you don't want any. I'm going to hit these press post caps because we're not going to be welding on this project. And then based on us choosing metal post, these are the metal continuous fence clips. So I'm going to choose that. You can also say if you don't need any, you can also weld the continuous fence to your post. So also there's some more details here if you need a little bit more information on those clips. Okay, it will then next ask you for your information. You're going to put in your name, an email address, and click submit, and it's going to bring you to this review fence details screen. Okay, and the only reason it didn't ask me for that is because I have already done this today, so it's you don't need to do it more than once, just the once to get to this page. And this will break down your continuous fence. You need 47. The number of gates, I had 2 12-foot gates and 1 4-foot gates, which those are 4-rail. They match the 4-rail continuous fence. My posts, I need 95. Your caps, your continuous fence clips, and then the screws to go with your continuous fence clips, since it will be an all weld-on option. You can see this picture here is where the fence that I drew out is. Super cool and convenient. Now let's say you wanted to compare pricing between 4, 5, and 6 rail. All we're going to do is hit copy here. Okay, it gives you another fence option number 2, and we're just going to change this fence type, and it instantly gives you all the 5-rail options and gives you a price on that. So you can see the 4-rail is $9,281. The 5-rail is $10,487.82, and then we're going to just do copy again, and then we're going to change this fence type to 6-rail. Okay, and now it gives you quick and easy. Here's the option for 4-rail. Here's the option for 5-rail. Here's the option for 6-rail. Here's the pricing. Okay, if you did want to come through and edit post, change your post, or your caps, or your clips, you can also click on that and go back and change those too. But this is a super way to compare pricing between the different rail options. Now say you had a different fence project on that property, or even somewhere else that you wanted to do as well. Okay, you can compare that as well. So let's say you wanted to budget out your fencing projects over the next little while. You can do that here too. So I'm going to delete these 2 comparisons, and all we're going to do is hit add quote. It's going to come back to the same property. It's going to clear the screen, and let's say I wanted to then do, a quote or an estimate on this side of the property. And I know it's not super square, but we're just going to build it out as if this was another fencing project we wanted to do right here. Okay, and we're going to hit continue. We're going to go through our continuous fence options again and all our accessories. And here we go. You can see this. You can see option 1 for this fencing project over here is $9,281, and over here for 1,200 feet, this one was $940. 1,200 feet. I did not have any gates on there, so obviously you'd probably add some gates, but you can easily compare pricing, or have both of them on here, so you can basically see what the total price for each fence project would be and all together. And then if you wanted to decide to go with one of these projects, all you have to do is hit add to cart, and it will take you to the next screen, and you'll be able to check out and get shipping and delivery and everything, so that you can easily get this project started. So we hope this tool is super helpful for you too. We've wanted to do this for a really long time, and we finally got it going, and it's actually turned out really great. So we hope it's a great tool that you guys can utilize to know exactly the linear footage for your projects. You can choose different continuous fence options and understand the material list, as well as add to cart and easily purchase, so that you guys can build fence easily. So guys, thank you so much for watching. We hope this was helpful, and good luck on all your fencing projects. Thank you.